Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Arthur, and I am going to be speaking to you today about
window air conditioners.
After watching this video, if you found information here helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Being cool used to be so easy. I used to be so cool, my dimples would frost over. But take it from me, nobody stays cool forever. Over the years, I've tried everything. I tried cold yoga. I tried ice yoga. I made all my t-shirts into tanks and my tuxedos into tanksedos. Even jogging in slow-mo, which honestly isn't as cool as it looks. I even thought about shaving my head. Nah. And of course I've tried air conditioners, but even this old AC couldn't keep it cool. It all seemed hopeless until I discovered Midea U. An AC upgrade? I didn't think it could be done, but look. Now that's cool. Now I'm as cool as ever. No more fanny packs full of ice packs for me. Midea U, an upgraded AC for cool people and other people.
AC upgrade, Midea U, yeah.
But mostly cool people. Smart, cool people. Well, cool people who get hot. I tried ice yoga into tanksedos, which honestly isn't as cool as it looks. I even thought about shaving my head. But even this old AC, cool. It all seemed hopeless until I discovered Midea U. Now that's cool. Now I'm as cool as ever. An upgraded AC and other people, but mostly cool people. Well, cool people who get hot.
Yeah, AC upgrade.
Hot people who are cool on the inside.
The Koldfront 12,000 BTU heat-cool window air conditioner can service a space up to 550 square feet with cool air during the warm summer months and heat during the winter. This window air conditioner has 12,000 BTUs of cooling power and 11,600 BTUs of electric heating power. Using the electronic thermostat and digital display, you can set your desired temperature as well as control other features like the energy saver mode, fan speed, and 24-hour timer. To save energy, sleep mode will adjust the temperature periodically before returning to the set temperature after 6 hours. In energy saver mode, the unit cycles the fan on for 2 minutes at 10-minute intervals and will turn the compressor back on if the room temperature exceeds the set temperature. You can choose to operate the unit in either cool, heat, dehumidify, or fan-only mode, and the unit comes with a remote control for added convenience.
Today, we're going to show you how to install your GE window air conditioner. This video will provide 4 easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions to properly install the air conditioner. In addition to the product, inside the box, you'll find the necessary installation materials. Please double-check that you have each one before beginning installation. These instructions are for a standard double-hung window. You will need to modify them for other window types. The air conditioner can be installed without the side curtain panels if needed to fit in a narrow window. All supporting parts must be secured to firm wood, masonry, or metal. The electrical outlet must be within reach of the power cord. On the air conditioner, install the top mounting rail with the 3 Type A screws. Next, slide the side curtain panels into the side panel rails. Then, slide the left and right side curtain frames into the top and bottom rails. Make sure the side curtain snaps into the side of the frames. Use the drill and 1/8 inch drill bit to drill pilot holes and use 4 Type B screws to secure the side panels in place. Loosen the screw on the side of the unit near the bottom and slide on the side bracket. Install the side bracket into the unit and into the windowsill using 2 Type B screws provided. Repeat on the other side. Use a Type B screw to install the window lock bracket on top of the bottom window. Please refer to the installation guide for additional questions and troubleshooting. Or you may mail in the pre-printed registration card included in the packing material.
It can be tough to stay cool. That's why Haier offers so many room air options. There's something for every living situation, from window units with built-in Wi-Fi, to portable units with versatile cooling, and even dehumidifiers that remove excess moisture, giving you complete peace of mind. Experience the #1 major appliance brand in the world, Haier.
Meet the Windmill AC. AC refreshed. Setup is a breeze with the installation kit pre-assembled and ready to go out of the box. The AC cools efficiently, blowing air into the room at the perfect angle. It delivers fresh, clean air with dual filtration while running quietly in the background. Control the AC with the buttons, remote, app, or your voice. It also has double-side insulation and an auto-dimming LED display. And we help offset the carbon footprint of every Windmill AC purchase. Ah, now that's cool.